Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you 3 easy OLL algorithms. Before I get started, I just want to note that these algorithms are the 3 that I personally believe are the easiest to memorize, execute, and just flow really well. These 3 algorithms also do not include cross OLLs. The first algorithm I'm going to be showing you is a small lightning bolt case. The way I recognize this is by the 1x2 bar in the front, the 1x2 bar on the right, and this one corner facing the back. Now, this OLL is very similar to the soon OLL, which goes like this. The only difference between the two is that this algorithm uses wide R moves. The algorithm for this case is wide R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, wide R prime. Now, a little bit faster, it looks like that. The next algorithm I'm going to be showing you is a square case, and it can be recognized by the 1x2 bar in the front, the 1x2 bar on the left, and the one corner facing the right side. And this algorithm is actually the exact opposite of the last algorithm I showed you, which means it is very similar to the anti-soon OLL, which goes like this. The only difference, just like the last one, is that this one uses wide R moves. The algorithm for this case is wide R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, wide R prime. Now, a little bit faster, it looks like that. The last case I'm going to show you is an L case, and it can be recognized by the 1x2 bar in the front, as well as the 1x3 bar on the left, and this corner in the back. This algorithm is one that flows really well, but you need to have the right finger tricks in order for it to flow well. The algorithm for this case is wide R, U prime, wide R2, U, wide R2 again, U, wide R2, U prime, wide R. The finger tricks that I use for this algorithm are just a regular wide R, then U prime with my left index finger, then wide R2 like this, and then the U move I like to do like this, like with just a push, and then wide R2 again, but like this, and then the next U move I do by pushing with this back pointer finger like this, and then wide R2, U prime again with this left index finger, then wide R. A little bit faster, looks like this. Anyway, I hope you learned something from this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.